Let us do an example. Say we are given this continuous mass function of two random variables x and y. This is twice exponential of minus x minus 2y, where x and y lie in the interval 0 to infinity. That is, you have 0 less than x, which is less than infinity, and 0 less than y, which is less than infinity, and it is 0 otherwise. So when we are going to use integration, we are not going to worry about the interval from minus infinity to 0 because it is 0 there. So we are just going to worry about the intervals from 0 to infinity. So the limits of integration are going to be from 0 to infinity. So first we want to compute is what is the probability that x is greater than 1 and y is less than 1. So x greater than 1 you can rewrite as that the small x is greater than 1, and obviously it goes all the way to infinity. Y is less than 1, we can say y is less than 1 and say obviously this will be greater than minus infinity, but we do not worry about minus infinity because we have to go from 0. So you say 0 less than y, which is less than 1. And that's precisely what we use in the integration here. So first we integrate with respect to dx. So you have the interval from 1 to infinity, so you go from 1 to infinity. Then you integrate with respect to dy, which goes from 0 to 1. And this is nothing but f of x comma y. Now you first integrate with respect to x. So that is, we want to integrate this part first. So in this part you take 2 exponential of minus 2y as constant outside, and integration of exponential of minus x is minus exponential of minus x. The limits are from 1 to infinity, and this will give you exponential of minus 1, which comes here. So then you integrate again and you get the answer of exponential of minus 1 times 1 minus exponential of minus 2. So you can always use packages like Mathematica or MATLAB to do the integration, but you should know how to set the limits. So probability that x is less than y, notice that there is no limit on y, so we can use y as 0 to infinity, and that's what we do. So dy is the outside integral, dy is right here, so outside integral is 0 to infinity. So inside integral is dx. So this is the inside integral dx. So x is less than y, and we go from 0 onward, so 0 to x to y, and that is what we have, 0 to y here for dx. Again you integrate everything, you get 1 minus 2 by 3, which is 1 by 3. Now we can talk about probability mass functions for marginal distributions. So this is f of x comma y. Now we just want to find the mass function for random variable just x. So again you have to integrate it with respect to y, and so you have f of x comma y, and you integrate it with respect to y. This will give you exponential of minus x. And then for mass function of y, you can again integrate this with respect to x, and you get twice exponential of minus 2y.